Hi everyone. My name is Praveen Kaushal and I am from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Currently, I am living in Indrapuram, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, and I have done B.Tech in Civil. And currently, I am working as a system engineer in ITBD design company. And so I have shifted my whole career in IT sector, and company has offered me 3.2 LPA, and this can only be happen with support of Evision and their whole team members, and this can't be happen without their support, because they have taught me so well from basic to pro level, like how to troubleshoot window, what is hardware, what is software, what is switch, what is router, and how to troubleshoot window, how to configure window, as well as how to create profile, and how to join domain from to system. So these things, and then I also taught CCNA. So because of that only, from civil background, I relocate myself in IT, and this whole change done by the help of Evision only and their staff members. So again, I'm so thankful for Evision and their whole team members, because this can't be possible without their support. So thank you so much, Evision, for this support, and thank you.